Hi everyone, we're going to talk about how to use infinitives with the words to and enough in this video. I have a lot of other videos on gerunds and infinitives, so I think it's a great idea to watch those videos, specifically how to use gerunds and infinitives as subjects and objects. But in this video, we're going to narrow in and focus on how to use infinitives, again, with these two words. It's very common to see an infinitive used with these two words. So what do these words mean? First of all, the word to is used incorrectly a lot of the time when I talk to students who are learning English. Sometimes they think it means very, like you are very nice, you are very kind, and instead they'll say you're too kind, you're too nice. And when you say to like that, what it really means is that something is negative, something has a negative result. So instead of saying to in that case, if you just want to say that something is very nice or very kind or very good, then you want to say very. But if you want to say that something is too much, as in it is excessive, meaning that it is bad, then you are going to use this word to, okay? So the meaning of the word to means excessive, too much, not good, okay? So you can be too cold and need a jacket. You can be too tired to watch this video anymore. That just means that you have an excessive amount of something and the result is negative. You have to put on a jacket because you're too cold, and it's the negative feeling is that you're cold, or you're too tired, so you have to turn off the video. You're not going to watch anymore. Now, if you want to say that something is the right amount, then you'll use the word enough, okay? So the word enough means that something is sufficient. It's a good amount for you. It's not too much, it's not excessive, and it's not too little. You're not lacking anything. It's the right amount. It's sufficient. So I can say, I have enough energy to watch the end of this video. I don't have a lot of energy. I don't have a little energy. I have just the right amount, a sufficient amount. I have enough strength to lift my heavy bag, okay? So we're going to talk about how to use these with infinitives. Now, remember, an infinitive is the word to plus the base form of a verb, like this. To plus base form of a verb. Two parts, okay? So for example, I can say to study, or to run, to write, okay? And I use it with these words to talk about things that I can or cannot do because something is excessive or sufficient. For example, I can say, I am too tired plus the infinitive, okay? So let me show you the formula. So here you can see I have a little formula for you. We use to plus an adjective and then the infinitive. So for example, I am too tired to watch more videos about gerunds and infinitives. So I am too tired to watch. That's it. We got to. We got tired as the adjective, adjectives describe, and then we have infinitive right there, okay? Another way we can do this is we can use to with a noun and an infinitive. Here we have an adjective, but we can use it with a noun, a person, place, thing, idea as well. For example, okay, so here we can see we have two plus the word little or much, okay? And then we have a noun. And then after that, you can use the infinitive. So just like the example up here with an adjective, I am too energetic to sit down. We can say I have too much energy to sit down. Energy is the noun form. Energetic is the adjective form. So I have too much energy to sit. Here we have the two, we have the word much or little, we have the noun, and then we have the infinitive. And that is how you use the infinitive with the word to. Let's talk about how to do the same thing with enough. So with the word enough, remember, enough means to have a sufficient amount of something. That means not too much and not too little, right in the middle, the perfect amount. So we can say, I am strong enough to carry 50 pounds or something, okay? Okay, so what we're doing is we're using an adjective, which is strong, the word enough, right there, and then an infinitive of any verb, okay? I am strong enough to carry a heavy person. I am strong enough to hold my bag all the way through the airport all day long, okay? Now we can say the same thing using the noun form of this word here, which is an adjective. We just turn it into the noun form, okay? So we can say, I have enough strength to carry. Okay, so we use enough first, which we did here, and then we use the noun of the word that we use over here, so just any noun, okay? And then over here we need the infinitive. So here we are. I have enough strength to carry heavy books, okay? So something you should notice here is that when you're using an adjective to describe a person or a thing, a lot of the times we will use the be verb over here, okay? Some form of the be verb, like I am strong enough to carry something. But over here, when we're using a noun, a lot of times we use the verb have, okay? Because you have a thing, right? So we can say have plus enough. I have enough strength to carry heavy books. Okay, so I hope that has helped you with understanding how to use infinitives with the words to and enough. Bye.